Everyone, in this video I will show you how to schedule triggering of AWS Lambda function using CloudWatch Events. So there will be three parts to this tutorial. First we will create the Lambda function. Then we will create a rule to run the Lambda function on a schedule. And then we will verify the rule. So let's get started. We are here in our AWS console. So first we will create the Lambda function. Click create function. Provide any name that you like. Select the runtime. I will create my function in Python. Keep everything as default. Create function takes some time as it also creates a role for this Lambda function. So the function is now created. Let us print something here. And deploy the changes. Now in the configurations you can see there is an execution role which is created with this Lambda function. So this execution role has rights to create a log group and create the log stream and put log events, which means this print statement will be put in a CloudWatch log group by this Lambda function. So now we have our function ready. Next step is to create a CloudWatch event rule. So go to the CloudWatch service. In CloudWatch we have this event section where we have the rules. It says CloudWatch Events is now Eventbridge. So CloudWatch Events is now called Eventbridge, but the underlying APIs are the same. So go to Amazon Eventbridge, create a rule, give any rule name. I am giving trigger Lambda function. A rule that runs on a schedule. So here you can provide your schedule patterns. I want my function to be run every 1 minute. So this function will get triggered every 1 minute. We need to select the target. Our target is Lambda function for this rule. Provide the function name. Click next. You can add tags. These are optional. Create rule. So the rule is created successfully. So in 1 minute this function will be triggered. Now we will verify that our function is triggered or not. So to verify we will go to the CloudWatch service. And in CloudWatch we have this log group section where a new log group has been created for our Lambda function. So click on this and click the log streams. So here we have this function triggered. So this function will be triggered by this CloudWatch event rule every 1 minute. So this was a short video about how to trigger Lambda function using CloudWatch event or Eventbridge. Thank you for watching, and do like the video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.